नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण BCom सेकंड इयर सेमिस्टर थर्ड यातील सब्जेक्ट जो आहे बिझनेस मॅथमॅटिक्स अँड स्टॅटिस्टिक्स म्हणजेच ज्याला आपण BMS म्हणतो त्या विषयाचे MCQ पाहणार आहोत आणि जे तुम्हाला परीक्षेदृष्टीने महत्त्वाचे राहतील. आणि असेच MCQ तुम्हाला बाकी विषयाचे सुद्धा मिळण्यासाठी आणि नवीन जे काही नोटिफिकेशन एक्झामच्या संदर्भातील असतील ते मिळण्यासाठी जो काही चॅनल आहे त्याला सबस्क्राईब करून ठेवा, म्हणजे जे काही नोटिफिकेशन असेल ते तुमच्यापर्यंत पोहोचेल. तर चला पाहूया आजचे फर्स्ट MCQ. क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग व्हॅल्यूज इज यूज ॲज अ समरी मेजर फॉर अ सॅम्पल सच ॲज अ सॅम्पल मीन? फर्स्ट, पॉप्युलेशन पॅरामीटर, B, sample parameter, C, sample statistic, and D, population mean. The right answer is C, sample statistic. Then second, which of the following is a branch of statistic? A, applied statistic, B, mathematical statistic, C, industry statistic, and D, both A and B. The right answer is D, both A and B. Then third question, the control chart and procedure of descriptive statistic which are used to enhance a procedure can be classified into which of these categories? A, behavioral tools, B, serial tools, C, industry statistics, and D, statistical tools. The right answer is A, behavioral tools. Then next, question number 4, which of the following can also be represented as a sample statistics? A, lower case Greek letter, B, Roman letters, C, associated Roman alphabets, D, uppercase Greek letters. The right answer is B, Roman letters. B number, Roman letters. Then 5 number question, to which of the following option do individual respondents, focus groups and panels of respondents belong? A, primary data sources, B, secondary data sources, C, itemized data sources, and D, pointed data sources. The right answer is A number, primary data sources. Then 6 number, what are the variable whose calculation is done according to the weight, height and length known as? A, flowchart variables, B, discrete variables, C, continuous variables, D, measuring variables. The right answer is C, continuous variables. C number, continuous variables. 7 number, which method used to examine inflation rate, anticipation, unemployment rate and capacity utilization to produce products? A, data exporting technique, B. Data importing technique. C. Forecasting techniques. D. Data supplying techniques. The right answer is C. Forecasting techniques. C number, forecasting techniques. 8 number, specialized process such as graphical and numerical methods are utilized in which of the following? Specialized process such as graphical and numerical methods are utilized in which of the following? A. Educational statistic. B. Descriptive statistic. C. Business statistic. D. Social statistic. The right answer is B number, descriptive statistic. ठीक है, बी नंबर डिस्क्रिप्टिव स्टैटिस्टिक्स. 9 number, what is the scale applied in a statistics which impart a difference of magnitude and proportion is considered as? Again listen, what is the scale applied in statistic which impact a difference of magnitude and proportion in considered as? ऑप्शन है ए एक्सपोनेंशियल स्केल, बी गुडनेस स्केल, सी रेशियो स्केल, डी satisfactory scale. The right answer is C, ratio scale. C number, ratio scale. Then next 10 number, review of performance appraisal, labor turnover rate, planning of incentive and training programs are the example of which of the following? A. Statistic in production. B. Statistics in marketing. C. Statistics in finance. And D. Statistics in personnel management. The right answer is D number, statistic in the personnel management. Then 11 number, selling price minus cost price is called. Selling price minus cost price is called A. loss, B. mark price means market price, C. discount, D. profit. The right answer is D. profit. 12 number, during sale a shop offer a discount of 8% on market price. If the market price is 5,500, then the purchase price of an oven should be A. 5,060, B. 5,000, C. 5,090 and D. 5,200. The right answer is A. 5,060. 5,060, A number. Then 30 number, cost price minus selling price is equal to, म्हणजेच कॉस्ट प्राइस मायनस सेलिंग प्राइस इज इक्वल टू काय असणार आहे? तर राईट आन्सर इज ए ऑप्शन डिस्काउंट, बी मार्केट प्राइस, सी प्रॉफिट, डी लॉस. द राइट आंसर इज सी प्रॉफिट. C number profit. Then 14 number, the price at which a particular item is purchased by a shopkeeper is known as A. Cost price, B. Discount, C. Selling price, D. Market price rate. The right answer is, which is the right answer? A number, cost price. Then 15 number, if the sale price is 672 and the profit is 5%, then the cost price should be A. 630, B number 649, C 640, D 700. The right answer is C number 640. Sorry, yeah. C number 640. Then 16 number, if selling price is selling price, cost price is cost price, we get loss when A. Selling price is equal to cost price, B. Selling price is equal to 2 bracket cost price, C. Selling price less than cost price, D. Cost price less than selling price. The right answer is C. Selling price less than cost price. C number, selling price less than cost price. Then 17 number, a deduction that is offered on the market price or the list price of item by the seller to the purchaser is called A. Selling price, B. Discount, C. Profit, D. None of the above. The right answer is B number, discount. 18 number, if the cost price is 850 and the profit is 10%, then the sale price should be, again read and listen. If the cost price is 850 and the profit is 10%, then the sale price should be A. 900, B. 925, C. 930 and D. 935. The right answer is D number, 935. Then 19 number, if the cost price is 940 and the profit is 7%, then the sale price should be, again listen, if the cost price is 940 and the profit is 7%, then the sale price should be A. 800, B. 874, C. 900, D. 820. The right answer is B number, 872. Sorry, 71. 874. Then last question. Market price less sale price is equal to A. Profit, B. Discount, C. List price, D. None of the above. The right answer is B. Discount. B. Discount. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला लक्षात आलंच असेल. लक्षात नसेल आलं, अगेन रीड करा, अगेन लिसन करा, पुन्हा डबल हा व्हिडिओ पहा आणि अशाच प्रकारचे प्रत्येक विषयाचे MCQ पाहायचे असेल तर तशा प्रकारचे कमेंट करा. सोबतच चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि शेअर करा. म्हणजेच तुमच्यापर्यंत हे जे काही नवीन येतील ते तुमच्यापर्यंत वेळेवर पोहोचतील. धन्यवाद मित्रांनो.